When is an ignition interlock device used in California? Attorney Derek Ewin explains that. An ignition interlock device is a device that is installed in a vehicle and prevents it from being started unless the driver blows into the device and registers a value of 0 for alcohol. It also requires a driver to periodically blow into it while driving. If the driver fails to do so, the vehicle will turn off. The idea is that they don't want people driving with alcohol in their system. In California, first-time DUI charges do not usually require someone to have an IID. If a person has had multiple drunk driving arrests and wants to get their license back prior to the end of the suspension period, then they will be required to have an IID. There are 4 counties in California that do require the ignition interlock device on a first-time DUI, but the only one that I really deal with is Alameda County. In Alameda County, rather than having a hard 30-day suspension prior to being able to get a restricted driver's license, a person is allowed to drive immediately as long as they have an IID in their car. It will be required that the person have an IID in their car for a period of 6 months after receiving a first-time DUI. However, they will not be restricted insofar as where or for what purposes they drive. Contact the law office of Derek R. Ewin in California today. Attorney Derek Ewin has literally handled hundreds of DUI cases. He can help you navigate through the courts and DMV so that you receive the best possible outcome.